Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into 7 awesome ways to make money as a freelance video editor. Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned pro, there's something here for everyone. So, buckle up, smash that editing button, and let's get started. Let's kick things off with freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer, your gold mines for finding clients. First things first, you need a profile that pops. High-quality profile picture? Check. A bio that screams, "I'm the editing wizard you've been searching for." Double check, and don't forget to showcase your best work. When bidding on projects, do your research. Check out what other editors are charging. Be competitive but ensure you're getting paid what you're worth. Communication is key. Respond promptly, be professional, and always over-deliver. Happy clients lead to glowing reviews, and glowing reviews lead to more gigs. It's a win-win. Have you ever thought about becoming an online video editing guru? Imagine turning your passion for video editing into a thriving online business. With platforms like Udemy and Skillshare, you can package your editing knowledge into awesome online courses and share it with the world, reaching thousands of eager learners. Not only will you be helping others, but you'll also be making some serious cash. It's a win-win situation. Structure your course into bite-sized, easy-to-digest modules. Keep it engaging. Break down complex topics into simple, manageable lessons. Use screen recordings, cool graphics, and maybe even throw in some challenges. Interactive elements can make a huge difference. Once your course is live, promote it on social media, leveraging platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to reach a wider audience. Reach out to relevant online communities, forums, and groups where your target audience hangs out. And maybe even collaborate with other creators. Joint ventures can amplify your reach and credibility. Teaching online is more than just sharing your skills. It's about inspiring others and making a real impact. It's about building a community and establishing yourself as an expert in your field. Plus, it's a fantastic way to generate passive income. Imagine earning money even while you sleep. Starting your own YouTube channel can be a game changer for freelance video editors. You need a niche, something that sets you apart from the crowd. Maybe you're the go-to for cinematic wedding videos or epic gaming montages. Pump out high-quality, engaging content like tutorials, behind-the-scenes glimpses, or software reviews. YouTube offers multiple monetization avenues: ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. As your channel grows, so does your earning potential. Let your personality shine, connect with your audience, and build a community around your channel. Ready to level up your freelance game? Let's talk about consulting. It's a fantastic way to diversify your income and make a real impact. You can get paid for your expertise, sharing your wisdom with those eager to learn video editing. Offer one-on-one coaching sessions, group workshops, or even host webinars. Or create comprehensive online courses that students can access anytime, anywhere. Build a strong personal brand. Showcase your unique style and approach to editing. Establish yourself as an authority in the editing world. Share your journey and success stories. Share your knowledge on social media, write blog posts, and engage with your audience. Maybe even speak at industry events to reach a wider audience and build credibility. When setting your consulting rates, consider your experience and the value you provide. Research market rates to stay competitive. Don't be afraid to charge a premium for your expertise. Your knowledge is valuable. You're selling your knowledge and ability to help others succeed. Tailor your services to meet client needs. Be a mentor, not just a consultant. Offer ongoing support and guidance. Invest in your clients' success and build genuine relationships. Their growth is your success. Word-of-mouth referrals are pure gold in the consulting world. Happy clients will spread the word about your services. Ever thought about turning those extra video clips gathering dust on your hard drive into cash? Welcome to the world of stock footage. Platforms like Shutterstock and Pond5 are digital libraries of video clips, music, and images. Quality over quantity. Shoot in high definition. Ensure your footage is well lit and stable, and choose subjects in demand. Use relevant and specific keywords to make your footage easy to find. Selling stock footage is a fantastic way to generate passive income. It's like having your own little money-making machine. This method is all about riding the wave of social media stardom. With the rise of digital platforms, influencers are constantly in need of fresh, engaging content to keep their followers hooked. Influencers on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube need talented video editors. These platforms thrive on visually appealing and dynamic content, making your role crucial. Start by following influencers in niches that interest you. Whether it's fashion, travel, or tech, find influencers whose content resonates with you. Engage with their content, Leave thoughtful comments and send a professional message showcasing your skills. Personalize your approach to stand out. Highlight your experience editing for social media and offer to do a small test project. This can demonstrate your capabilities and build trust. Once you land a gig, communication is key. Regular updates and clear discussions can prevent misunderstandings. Be responsive. Understand the influencer's vision and be open to feedback. Adaptability can set you apart from others. Building strong relationships can lead to long-term collaborations and a steady stream of gigs. Trust and reliability are your best assets. Stay ahead of the curve. Keep an eye on emerging trends and new features on social media platforms. Social media trends are constantly evolving, so keep your editing skills sharp. Continuous learning is essential. The more versatile you are, the more valuable you become. Diversify your skills to cater to a wide range of content needs. Creating and selling video editing templates is like having your own digital product line, a way to earn passive income while you sleep or edit other videos. Package your editing magic into easy-to-use templates for popular software like Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro. Platforms like Envato Market are treasure troves for digital assets, including video editing templates. Make your templates stand out. Offer unique styles, customizable elements, and maybe even include some bonus tutorials. Promote your templates on social media. Reach out to relevant online communities, and collaborate with other creators. The more people you reach, the more templates you'll sell. And there you have it. 7 ways to make money as a freelance video editor. We've covered everything from freelance platforms to YouTube channels, from consulting to selling stock footage and templates. Find what you're passionate about and turn it into a money-making machine. Take action. Choose one of these methods and start building your freelance empire today.